Okay, so now we're on number 34. We have a submarine stranded at the bottom of the ocean with its hatch 25 meters below the surface. Calculate the force needed to open the hatch from the inside, given it is circular and 0.45 meters in diameter. All right, so this is terrifying. Physics should be scary, so I guess this is fine. So we're somewhere beneath the ocean. We have our submarine, and my drawing skills have not improved. One thing to point out, it's 25 meters below the surface, but we have atmospheric pressure that exists above the water, pushing down on the water. So one atmosphere up above the water, and it's one atmosphere inside the submarine. So the only difference in pressure that we're interested in is going to be that due to the weight force of the water itself. So that's rho GH. Density of seawater is 1,025 kilograms per cubic meter times G, 9.8 meters per second squared, times the 25 meter depth that we have. Plug all those numbers in, we come up with a huge number, 251,125 pascals of pressure. So we have a huge amount of pressure pushing on the door to the submarine, and our question is going to be how much force do we need to open that door. So we calculated pressure kind of independently. Now we're going to go back to the definition. Pressure equals force over area, force equals pressure times area. So the pressure we figured out, the area is pi r squared. All right, hey, they were nice. They gave it to us in meters this time. So pi times 0.450 meters, divided by 2 because they gave us the diameter, squared. The area of this hatch is 0.159 meters squared. Okay, now we put it all together. The force equals pressure times area. So the force that we're talking about here that we would need to exert on the door is the pressure 251,125 pascals, big number, times the area that we just figured out. And when we put those together, pascals is newtons per meter squared, area is meters squared, so the units come out in newtons. That's a force, that's good. The force is huge, 39,939 newtons. So a huge amount of force in order to open up this sub hatch. Don't get trapped in a sub beneath the ocean and expect to get out. Okay.